Okay, I'm going to replace the pump in my Bissell SpotClean Pro Heat PET. First, remove both tanks. Then remove the tray underneath both tanks. They each have 3 screws. Then remove the plates. And you can remove the center piece. It'll give you more room for dealing with the hoses. It just pulls straight up after you take those 2 plates off. Okay, next remove the power connectors. Green is the ground. Unscrew the pump. That'll give us access to the positive and negative wires. And you can't see it here, but this pump has a red dot for the terminal that the red wire goes on. Okay, now pinch the 2 tabs on the clamp for the black hose and pull it back. You can lift the center piece out to give you more room if you need it. Now you can pull the hose off. Okay, now remove the clear hose. And I did damage it taking it off, so I'm going to cut off the damaged piece. It'll still leave me enough room. Okay, here's the new pump that I ordered from Amazon. It is the correct part number, and it had the correct picture on the website. However, this pump has extra plastic on the end, and it won't fit in the machine, so I have to cut that off. Okay, next, attach the clear hose. And there's a good shot of the red dot where the red wire goes. So connect the red and black wires. Okay, now connect the green ground wire. Now connect the black hose and move the clamp up. Now screw the pump down. Okay, now put the centerpiece back in place and then put on the 2 plates and screw those down with the 3 screws. Okay, now we're ready for a test, and you can see it is now pumping water. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.